These earrings were made for you to shine, to embrace the star within you, and to know that you are made of stardust, so you may live like a star. I'll tell you the rest of the story soon. To understand our own beginning, we must travel into the heart of darkness, billions of years back. But this birth was an eternal war. Every moment, the star fought against its own immense gravity to avoid collapse. The pressure was merciless. Then, for the giant star, the greatest challenge arrived. Its fuel ran out. The battle was lost, and the star exploded in a dazzling eruption, a supernova. All the heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, and iron, were hurled into the heart of the cosmos with infinite force. This stardust gathered billions of years later around a young sun and formed our planet, Earth. And then, in a wondrous reaction, life began. So when you look at your hand, the carbon, the iron in your bones and blood, all once fused in the heart of a distant star, so that in the end, you could exist. You are a cosmic spirit breathing in the form of stardust. Your challenge is the same furnace fire that is meant to forge you stronger and brighter, like your stellar ancestors. These earrings have turned that cosmic truth into a tangible memory. Now, let's build this captivating galaxy earring together. First, we mix the resin and hardener in a 1:2 ratio. We add a small amount of black paste color, pour it into the prepared base, which I outlined with non-dry clay, and let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, once the first layer is dry, we mix the resin and hardener again and divide it into 3 parts, one with chrome blue color, one with chrome purple color, and one with rainbow glitter. First, we use the chrome colors to create lines and patterns on the base, then add the rainbow glitter. We remove any bubbles and let it dry. After drying, we clean the edges of the piece, drill a hole, and add the earring findings. Finally, I place it in a handmade box, which is sent along with a message that the earrings carry for the recipient. I'll read it to you now. My dear, you are not just an inhabitant of this universe. You are the continued breath of galaxies. Stars are born within the darkest dust clouds and must overcome immense gravitational pressure. Your challenge is the same, a pressure meant to transform you into light. Believe in the immense beauty of your existence. You are not a random, insignificant accident. You are one of the most wondrous possible forms of matter and energy, with the capacity for consciousness and creation. These earrings remind you that you are as vast as the starry sky, full of inner light. Allow yourself to shine. Be sure to make this earring for your own well-being, or if you like, you can order it from me. Kimari's Art.
Subscribe to the Kimari's channel.